Chapter 9, HCF, LCM.
Chapter 9, HCF, LCM.
When we divide 36 by 4, the remainder
When we divide 36 by 4, the remainder is 0.
is 0. And therefore, 4 is a factor of 36
And therefore, the 4 is the factor of 36.
and 36 is a multiple
And 36 is a multiple of 4.
of 4. That is, 36 is
That is the district
divisible by 4.
divisibility by odd.
Now, when we divide 65 by 9, the remainder
Now, when we divide 60 by 9,
is not a 0. And therefore,
the remainder is not a 0, and therefore 9
is not a factor
Therefore, 9 is not a factor of 65.
of 65. Also, 65 is not a multiple of 9. That is, 65 is not divisible by 9. First, highest common factor
Highest common factor HCF.
HCF. To find the HCF of given number,
Find the HCF of given number. We make a list of the factors of the numbers and find the greatest of the common factors.
here we have to make a list of the factors of the numbers and find the greatest of the common factors. Find the HCF of
Find the HCF of 16 and 48.
16 and 48. So first we'll find out the factors of 16.
So first we'll find out the factor of 16.
1 into 16, that is
1 into 16,
1 and 16. 2 and
2 and 8,
8. 4 and 4.
4 and 4.
So we'll write down 4, only 1.
Write down 4 in 1.
So the factors of 16
So the factor
are 1, 2,
So the factor are 1, 2,
4, 8,
4, 8, 16.
16. Then factors of 48, 1
Then factors of 48,
and 48. 2 and
1, 2 and 48,
24. 3 and 16.
3 and 16,
4 and 12.
4 and 12,
6 and 8.
6 and
Then
8.
again 8 and 6. So we'll write down only 6 and 8. So the factors are 2,
So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 80, 48.
3, 4, 6, 16, 24, 40. Now the common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8,
Now the common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16.
16. And the highest common factor, that is HCF, is equal to 6.
The highest common factor, the HCF, is equal to
Next pair, 25 and 75.
25 and 75.
Factors of 25,
Factors of 25,
1 and
1 and 25,
20. 5 into 5, so we'll write down 5
5 into 5.
only 1. So the factors are 1, 5, 20,
So the factors are 1.
5. Then factors of 75.
The factors of 75.
1
1
into 75,
into 75,
3 into 25, 5 and
25, 5 and 15.
15. So the factors are 1,
So the factors are 1,
3,
3,
5,
5,
15, 25,
15, 25 and 75.
75. Now the common factors are
Now the common factors are 1, 5, 25.
1, 5, 25. And the factor is 25.
And the highest common factor is 25.
So HCF is equal to
So HCF is equal to
25.
25.
Next, students of standard 6 and standard 7.
The number of students of standard 6 and standard 7th who went the visit the to Tab
Who went to visit the
Taroba Tiger project
at
project at Chandrapur was 140 and 196
was 140 and 196 respectively.
140 and
The
196
students of each class are to be
respectively. The students of each class are divided into groups of the same number of students.
divided into groups of the same number of students. Each group can have a paid guide. What is the
The number of students each group can have a paid guide. What is the mixture number of students there can be in each group?
number of students there can be in each group? Why do you think each group should have the maximum possible?
Why do you think each group should have the maximum possible number of students? Sorry, this is maximum. Sorry.
Number of students. The number of standards
The number of students, the standard 6
is 140
is 140.
and the number of students of standard
In the number student of 7th
7 are
196.
196. So we will find out the HCF of 140 and
HCF of 140 and
196 to find out the maximum number of
maximum number of
students
students.
group. The factors of 140,
140,
1, 140,
140,
2,
2,
70,
70, 4,
35, 5,
5,
28,
28,
7, 20,
7, 20,
10,
10, 14.
14. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, 20, 28, 35, 70, 140.
1, 2, the factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 10, 14, 20, 28, 35, 70, 140.
Now the factors of 196,
Now the factors of 196,
1 and 196,
1 and 196,
2,
2 and 98,
4 and 49,
4 and 49,
7 and 28,
7 and 28,
14 and
14.
14. So we'll take 14 only once. So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 7,
So the factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28,
14, 28,
28, 14, 28, 49, 98, 196.
49, 98, 196. And the highest common factor is 28.
And the highest common factor is 28.
So HCF is 28.
So HCF is 28.
So the maximum number of students in each group is 28.
So the maximum number of group is in group 28.
And as the guide is a paid
As the guide is,
guide, we should have the maximum
we should have
possible number of students
for possible number of students
in each group so that the number of groups will be less.
so that the number of group is.
Now, lowest common multiple, that is LCM.
Now lowest common multiple of LCM.
Note that a table has the multiple of a number